How to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to make sure your TikTok app is up to date. For that, launch Google Play Store and you have to search for TikTok app. If there is any updates available, simply select updates and update it to the latest version. Once done, you need to proceed towards the next step. Clear cache in TikTok app. For that, you can either tap and hold TikTok and select app info. Now you have to tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you have done that, you need to make sure to disable the data saver. In the settings, on the data saver, make sure it is off. And if the issue persists, uninstall the TikTok app. Simply you can tap and hold TikTok again and tap on install and select on install button and restart your device. After that you have to reinstall TikTok from Play Store or App Store. And now if you are still experiencing issues, try this step again or check for updates from TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.